313, as you just saw in part 1, actually went for a red signal. And there she is now. Apparently it passed the red signal. Don't know. Ladies and gentlemen, sorry for cutting that last video. I was told by someone to stop the video just for safety reasons. Nothing too bad. But we have a 365 going for a non-stopper. I think going to Cambridge. Come on, mate. Come on, 365. I love their boards. Hello guys, we have another train. It's a HST. Virgin Trains East Coast HST going to King's Cross. King's Cross. Oh, this guy's giving it the beans. Unless he's stopping.
No, he's giving it the beans.
No, he's not. He's stopping.
Oh, no, he's stopping.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Virgin East Coast 43 is stopping. Oh, we have another train. We have another car 365. I will get this train, then I will quickly swoop, and then I'll...
He's a street through it.
Hey, come on, mate. Go on, boyfriend. 3 to 1. There's the 43. 303, 037 is now gone. What 43 have we got on the rear?
I was going to say, if you're one sit on one of these trains, please give me a big fat like.
The one on the end, I don't know, I'll get that as it departs. See you soon. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I think the HST is now ready to depart.
So blurry.
On the end we have Lincolnshire Eco.
Oh,
Yeah, 313's gone to Moorgate. Oh, we have a platform 1 train approaching for King's Cross. A class 365. Very nice indeed. We'll probably get one more non-stopper before my train comes in. Oh, there goes a plane for the plane spotters. But I'm not a plane spotter, I am a train spotter. Right. Go on, 43. Oh God. Right.
Oh, this is good. So basically,
we have a 3 to 5.
I think
it's 3 to 5. 5.
This train, this coach here.
5:50. I
make
think.
them way back up here. And now we have another train next.
Yeah, we have a Great Northern Class 55.
Oh!
Oh! Right, is this another HST? HST crossover! Lovely! Don't move, you stay there. Oh. Grand Central! You lovely! Oh God! Hey, my friend! Bloody hell, HST, keep going. Right, okay, I think the brakes have been released. Yes, listen to them revs!
Yes, I got away! I got so away!
You go, girl! Yes! Oh, you smell wonderful. And then, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see over here, we have a 365. But at least my phone did not crack. Thanks to that 43, my phone did not crack.
I think someone just flushed a loop.
On what? At 365? Probably. Oh, I really want a 91 to come through now. Oh, I'm shaking.
Okay.
Oh dear. Oh, right. The 365 is now departing.
Look at that person.
Sorry about this, guys. My tripod keeps falling.
And
Right, here we go. 365. Something on the rear. It's a race.
and I'm just
People call me mental, but I don't care. 35512.
What should I say? About 20.
Peterborough trains cancel.
Okay.
No, don't.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
Where she lives, guys. Peace out.
Did you film them trains one?
No.
Okay.
I filmed the waving, of course I filmed it.
Oi, how
I filmed
bad?
the plane, I filmed the plane.
How bad did my camera fall over?
It just went on.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have another class 365. Is this on the fast? No, so another Great Northern service. Well, guys, if a shout out to that great Central Trains driver. Thank you. You successfully knocked. Thank you. I just bought this phone. Got it for Christmas. Well, not just for it. You know, Christmas was 3 months ago. You know, you can let me off. You can let me off. Yes. Basically, guys, I'm gonna keep this going until my train comes in, which won't be very long. I'll try and get him to 2, guys. Oh, my legs.
I want to ask you a question. What did you... We don't get your Sid saying yes. It's alright, I understand.
Alright, here we go. Lovely class 365 on my new phone. Just let you know, guys, my phone is HD.
Yes.
Come on, mate. Can you see me? If you can't. Nah, 35539, you ain't gonna do nothing, can you, mate?
No.
My stalker of the day, 35539.
We got 3 little tubs. For town.
Right, guys. I will pause when she's ready. Okay. The 35539 service is now departing. I've only just got in full zoom because now you can see the 365.
About 10.
Basically, you can see now. Now, you should be able to see her. There you go. Just look in that corner.
Pick us up then.
Don't be rude. Let me talk to her. Yeah, guys, this was an unexpected video. I was not planning to make a video today at this station. But as you can tell, I have. Now, comment below if you think this is good footage. If it's not, I do apologise. It's not shaky at all, apart from the times when the camera falls over thanks to Grand Central 43. But apart from that, I think it's very fine. So right, see you soon. Hello guys, we have another 365. Not a 91. I want to get a 91 on call. Actually, I have in my first part. Right, as soon as she gets a bit closer, go. Just do it. Once. 5, 3, 5, 4, come on. Oh, it's a 387. That's our train. Right, ladies and gentlemen, my last train of the day. Yeah, last train of the day for me is a 387. Yes, I just said it is. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to get it coming in. Then I'll film it, departing Royston, and then my video will be ended.
We always do.
Right, is it going to be my baby 387104? That's what I want to know.
Oh, sorry, you
No,
said it's a 38. Is it a 387?
Yeah.
Oh, we might do 37. Oh, right. Oh, I thought that's
One of the new ones.
Electro Star. Oh, here she comes, that gorgeous little girl. What 387? Oh, it's not bad. Is that 104? No. Ah. Might as well put my hand up. My baby. Right, guys. I'll